Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2016 Holden Captiva 7 Active Limited Edition. Stock reference number 4667. This shape runs from the first month 2011 through to the 6th month 2018. It has an LE9 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LE9 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand fog light with surround. This vehicle is fitted with 18-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Driver's side door trim in leather. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, black leather center console lid, automatic type console with electronic handbrake, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass and sunroof type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.